Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 4.6% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair fell 1.3% following a 1.7% intra-session dip. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair dove 2.3% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
More than a quarter of US Gulf of Mexico oil and 16% of natural gas output remained offline in the aftermath of Storm Rafael, the US offshore energy regulator reported. Production losses due to Rafael shut-ins to date have totaled 20.07 million barrels of oil and 1.12 billion cubic feet of natural gas. Oil prices settled more than 2% lower to end last week, as traders grew less fearful of prolonged supply disruptions from a hurricane in the US Gulf of Mexico, while China's latest economic stimulus packages failed to impress some oil traders. Gold prices dropped to end last week, logging their steepest weekly decline in over 5 months, pressured by a stronger dollar, and as markets absorbed the implications of Donald Trump's victory and its potential impact on US interest rate expectations.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Finland's current account will be released at 6 GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers survey, current, at 5 GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers survey, outlook, at 5 GMT. Japan's machine tool orders will be released at 6 GMT. Japan's money supply M2 plus CD at 2350 GMT. New Zealand's electronic card retail sales at 2145 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.